an incredibly delicious recipe. Shrimp stir fried rice. Tomorrow is Sunday and in a typical Nigerian home we'll be cooking stew rice. Don't cook that stew rice. Come closer, let's make this together and you will like it. I assure you would like it. Yeah. First of all, you parboil your rice. Yeah, cook your rice until it is soft. Okay, once the rice is done, you set it aside. In a dry pot, add in butter, add in the shrimps, add ginger and season to your taste. Once done, we set it aside. Adding more oil, vegetable oil to the butter. Adding onions, lots of onions. Yes. More of the ginger mix, then tomato paste. Allow that to fry for a little while. Then add in pepper, seasoning cube, oregano, and salt. Add in more onions and green pepper. Stir that a little and add in the pre-cooked rice. Add in the pre-cooked rice, stir to combine evenly. Add in the shrimps, cover the pot to simmer for a little while.